In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Wise account. If you need to send money to someone who already uses Wise, the process is very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact flow so you can complete the transfer smoothly and with confidence. To begin, open Wise and go to the home page. Make sure you're logged into your account before you start. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to look over the available options so you can easily spot the correct button for sending money. From the home screen, click on Send. This is the option that starts a new transfer. After selecting it, Wise will guide you into the transfer setup process. If you're sending to another Wise user, the platform makes this especially convenient because you won't need to manually go through more complicated bank transfer details in this specific flow. Next, choose the option for a Wise tag or an existing Wise contact. This step is important because it tells Wise that the recipient already has a Wise account. Depending on what appears on your screen, you may be selecting a saved contact or entering the recipient through their Wise identifier. Be careful here and make sure you select the correct person, especially if you have multiple saved contacts with similar names. Once the recipient is selected, enter the amount you want to send. Double check the currency and the value before moving on. This is a good time to review everything carefully, because even a small typo in the amount can lead to sending more or less than intended. Wise usually gives you a clear view of the transfer amount, so take advantage of that before proceeding. After entering the amount, click Continue. This moves you to the next stage of the transfer process. At this point, Wise may show you a summary of the payment details depending on your account setup and the type of transfer. Read through the information on screen carefully so you understand what you're sending and to whom. And that's the basic process for transferring money from one Wise account to another through Wise itself. The key things to remember are to start from the Wise homepage, use the send option, choose the Wise recipient correctly, enter the amount accurately, and then continue to review the transfer. If you follow these steps carefully, the transfer should be quick and simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.